Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today I have a Pokemon Gotta Catch 'em All Pokedex made by Tiger Electronics in about 1997. This one came from eBay. Apparently it doesn't work. It says it is selling as a prop toy only, as it's completely untested and quite old, so no idea if it works. Never played with one of these before. Pressing the on button, nothing happens. What I think I'll do is I will open it up first, find out what's inside. 1x CR2032 battery. Well, there's no battery in it. That's hopeful. No, there's no battery in there either. It looks very clean. Okay. Okay, let's lift this board off and see what we have in the way of circuitry. That's interesting. We have two batteries here. It's a main and backup. So are they wired in parallel? And the answer to that is yes, they are. Okay, carefully put that back in again. So it's as simple as that. We have the main chip underneath this. These are all the connections to the LCD screen, and these are all the pickups for it along here and along here. This is all the contacts for the buttons. It's very, very clean inside. I think at the moment I'm going to leave it as it is without cleaning any of these surfaces up. Put it back together again. Okay, the CR2032 batteries are 3 volt. So I'll set the power supply to 3 volts. The outside one is the positive. Centre is the negative. Supposed to short the reset button out and then change the batteries. Okay, let's turn it over. Clear all. Yeah. Right. Yes, no. Yes. Name. Date, year. Well, it says 1998. Yeah. Oh, something's happening. Ah, right, okay. Page, favourite, sort, capped. Don't know what that is. Password. Scroll lock. Calculator. That's a calculator. I'm going to put this back together again now. Put some batteries in it and run through it and see what it does. Okay, let's press the reset button. Clear all, yes. 1998, so does it think it's 1998? Yeah. 21. It's Pokemon, right. So, what have we got? Page, can we go across? Pages, search, okay. Page search, let's find out what that is then. Do I press 1 or do I just enter? Enter. Name or page. Okay, let's go down to page 55. No, page enter, page number 050, name. So there's one called Bob, let's have find out. It's a Pokemon called Bob. Error. What's that, favourite is that? Add, delete, list. List is empty, yes it would be. Okay, what else do you do? So quit. What's that? Sorter. Height, weight, strength, type. Okay, go back. Capped, what's that? Capture. Capture, delete, list. Empty. Okay, so how do we find Pokemons in? What's that? Password. Okay. Now one says clock, date. Okay. And that's calculator. Let's go calculator. 8 times 9 equals 72. Yes. Right, so the calculator's working. So how do we get out of that? Calculator, page, name, page, 80. Slowbro. Okay. So it just gives me a name, does it? Does it do anything else? Oh. Shoot, that's Slowbro, is it? Height 1.6 meters, weight 78.47 kilograms, type something or other. Strength 3, attack water. Ooh, okay. So how do we find another one? Page. Start with page 1, shall we? What's page 1? 001. Enter. Ah, right, okay, so you can look up each Pokemon and get its details. Height 0.7 of a metre. Okay, so this is some kind of encyclopedia of the Pokemons, is it? That's quite cool, isn't it? It's quite clever, that. Okay, quit. Page 2. Okay, so you can go through. I wonder how many of these got. So it's got all the data on them. Ooh, right. Quit. 80. Error. Okay. Let's go down. Page 120. Let's find out how many there are. Ooh. Star U. Oh, there you go. Two. Okay. So it's got at least 140 in it. Let's keep going and find out how many it's got. Okay, so there is 150. It looks like some kind of giant squirrel. Right. 151. Error. So this looks like a little Pokemon reference book that contains 150 Pokemon in it. I don't know what else you can do with it. It's actually quite a nice little unit. Pikachu. Enter. Number 25. What does Pikachu look like? Okay. TTO. Ditto 132. Cool. Okay, let's search for EEVEE 133. Looks like that. Okay, so it appears to be fully operational. I'll give that a little clean. Hope you found this as interesting as I have. Thanks for watching.